Magic of commitment. It takes time to shift our habit patterns. Neuroscience teaches us that rhythm and consistency are the key for transformation. One of the teachings from classical yoga is tapas or tapasya. It is one of the niyamas. And this tapas tapasya, it means austerity or self-discipline. Tapas invites us to create the sacred commitment to our sadhana, to our spiritual practice for the connection within and beyond. For example, we create the tapas, we create a sacred commitment that I am going to practice yoga for 30 minutes for the next 7 days. Or I am going to practice yoga at least for 1 hour for the next 7 days. Or I am going to meditate at least for 20 minutes every morning for the next 7 days, and so on. So we create the commitment, and somehow, no matter what happens and how life unfolds, we will stick to that commitment because these are sacred. This creates the intensified energetic field towards our soul's transformation. Oftentimes, we might encounter some obstacles or challenges that when we set the tapas, okay, I'm going to practice yoga for half an hour every day for the next 7 days, then all of a sudden you will become so busy, overwhelmed with so many things to get it done in life, and you will need to be skillful. You will need to be creative in order to stick to the tapas, stick to your sacred commitment. Tap is a root word of tapas, and this Sanskrit word tap, it means to burn. So when we create a sacred commitment, tapas, tapasya, we start to burn the sacred fire in our subtle body. And as we go through our commitment, this sacred fire of tapasya will burn the impurity or any limiting patterns that no longer serves us for our full potentials. So as we set the tapas, we open the field of divine grace. And as we go through this spiritual test, we quicken, we fasten, we intensify our spiritual growth. Be inspired for this talk of tapas, sacred commitment. May we meet together on the yoga mat for the practice.